Hello, my dear children. I'm your English ma'am speaking. Happy come up with this interesting topic from the heart of a tree. While reading this topic, something comes to your mind. Am I right, children? Yes. This poem is about a tree and its thoughts. The poem gets across the message of environmental awareness. In the poem, the tree laments that humans are cutting them down for their selfish needs. I ask you one question, children. What roles do trees play in our environment? Yes, trees play major role in our environment. Trees help everyone by providing shade, food and shelter. They give us fresh air to breathe. This poem tells the importance of protecting the nature. Before we enter into this poem, here is a pep activity for you children to boost up your brain. This is a riddle. Write an answer in the blank. Respect it has a drawing in the space provided. Before I grew up to be a big tree, this is how I used to be. Hard, alone and tiny. In a fruit or a flower, you didn't see me. You had seen me. Can you guess who am I? So you can see them in a fruit or in a flower. Can you guess the answer, children? Yes. The answer is seed. And in this space you have to draw the seed neatly and color it well. A large tree finds its beginning in a tiny seed. A large tree grows from a tiny seed. Here you can see the germination of seed, the stages how a seed grows and turns into a big tree. Germination is a process by which an organism grows from a seed. Let us see what a tree has to tell us. Pay attention to its appeal. So, we are going to see what the tree tells us. Before I become a tree, here you see a beautiful picture of a tree, and the tree is helping so many birds, animals and human beings. Once I was a tiny seed, Mother Nature cared for my need. I grew up as a shady tree, breathing the air clean and free. Now my age is 23. I have branches so many for children to play with company. I let worms eat my tiny figs. I help birds make homes with tiny twigs. I shelter the resting herds and the wandering tired shepherds. My roots trap the water underneath to refill a thirsty earth beneath. People breathe the air I give. Why don't people let me live? Now I can explain this. Once the tree was a tiny seed, Mother Nature cared for its need. Mother Nature here means soil, water, sunlight and air. Helped the seed to grow and turn into a big tree. The tree breathed the air and it was free, which means no one troubled it. Now the tree's age is 23. It has many branches. The children play along with their friends on the branches of the tree. It let worms to eat its tiny soft fruit with small seeds. It helped birds to build nests with its tiny twigs. It helps the herds and tired shepherds to give shelter. its roots, trap the water and send it back into the earth. People breathe the air the tree gives, but why the people cut them down for their selfish purpose? So the tree felt very bad about the human's behavior. See, the trees give so many things to us, but even though we are not, let them live. So this tells the bad attitude of the humans. Now we can see the synonyms in this poem. Figs, a soft fruit with small seeds. What is the home of a bird built on a tree called? Can you know the answer, children? Yes, it is nest. Herds, it is a collective noun, a groups of animals of the same kind. For example, herd of elephants, like that. Trap, save or collect. Define a poem in your own words. Recall that a poem usually has lines that rhyme. Pick out any two rhyming word pairs from the poem that you just need. Here is a definition, children. You have to read the poem and write it in your own words. And here is the rhyming words for you. For example, seed, need. Tree, free. Many, company. Write the answer in your studio, children. Now here is another activity. Look deep. How is the tree helping other living beings around it? Write the names of 3 living beings that the tree is helping. So in this poem, the tree helps so many animals, birds and human beings. So here you have to find out and write the answer. Briefly describe how it is helping each of them. Now the answer is, the tree helps birds to build nest. Second one, the tree helps children to play happily. You can see so many children are playing near the tree happily. So the children play the tree branches and they are running here and there, hanging on the tree branches happily. Now another thing, you have to write by your own. It is nothing. You can see the herds of animals which takes rest under the tree. Okay, children. Next, the second one. People dash the tree live. Name 2 actions that people may do which could make the tree sad. People dash the tree. People cut the tree live. People cut the tree live. Now next, what makes the tree sad? And the answer is, people cut trees. So because of this activity, the tree gets sad. And next one, people pollute nature. As you know very well, nowadays the people are polluting the nature. Imagine that there are no trees or plants left on earth. What do you think could happen? Just imagine, children, if there is no tree and there is no plants, what was happen? What was happen? Yes, nearly we are not getting fresh air. We are not getting food to eat. We are not getting peaceful life. So we lost so many things. Okay. Next, question time. Answer the following question. You may use your notebook if necessary. How old is the tree now? 23, 20, 12. What is the answer, children? Yes, the tree's age is 23. The tree was a dash before it grew. So can you find what was the tree before it grew? Yes, it was a seed. It was a seed before it grew. How does the tree help children? How does the tree help children? Yes. Children play along with their friends on the branches of the trees. So write these answers in your studio, children. The tree helps refill a thirsty earth. How? Its roots trap water and send it back into the earth. What does the tree do to provide shelter to herds and shepherds? So, what is the answer, children? Yes, the tree provides shade and clean air. Why don't people let me live? How do you think the tree feels here? Why? How did you feel while reading the poem? How do you feel? List 3 emotions of the tree. How do you feel, children? Yes, you may feel sad, you may feel sympathy, and you may feel pity for the tree. Why do you think you felt this way? So what reason do you feel this way? So that also you have to write. Now we can see the new words. Tiny. What is the first one? Tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. Seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. Shady. S-H-A-D-Y. Shady. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Free. F-R-E-E. Free. Air. A-I-R. Air. Branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Company. C-O-M-P-A-N-Y. Company. Shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Fix. F-I-G-S. Fix. Twix. T-W-I-G-S. Twix. Herds. H-E-R-D-S. Herds. Shepherd. S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D. Shepherd. Trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. Thirsty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. So children, write these new words in your rough note. Okay, learn these words, learn the poem, children, and write all the answers in your studio. Draw a seed neatly and color it well, children. So meet you in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye.